Hello everyone, welcome back to Growth. When you're running ads on Google or Meta, how do you decide what is the maximum you should pay to acquire one customer? If you're guessing, you're either overspending or leaving growth on the table. So this calculator gives you that exact number based on your profit data. So this is the target CPA calculator by Upgrowth. CPA is nothing but cost per acquisition. It is a maximum amount you can afford to spend on advertising to acquire one paying customer while still staying profitable. So it is built for performance marketers, media buyers, and founders who run paid campaigns on Google, Meta, or any other platform. So you can try this calculator using the link in the description. But before that, let us walk through one example. So if the first input is average profit per customer based on lifetime value, this is the total profit a single customer generates for your business over their entire relationship with you, not just from the first purchase. So I've entered 10,000 there, and percentage of that profit you're willing to invest in acquisition, meaning what share of that customer lifetime profit you are comfortable spending to win them in the first place. So I've entered 30% and lead to sale conversion rate. This is the percentage of leads your sales process converts into paying customers. So I've entered 10% there. Now let's hit on calculate. So here the target CPA is around 30,000. That means you can afford to spend up to 30,000 in ad spend to acquire one customer and still remain profitable over their lifetime. This is a number you set as your maximum bid or campaign target in Google Ads, Meta, or any other platform. Most advertisers set CPA targets based on what they spent last month or what competitors seem to be bidding. Neither of those tells you whether your CPA is actually sustainable for your business. This calculator anchors your target to your real profit numbers so you know with confidence that every customer you acquire at or below this CPA is contributing positively to your bottom line. Go about it consistently and you're acquiring more customers at a loss without realizing it. So calculate your target CPA before setting up your next campaign and use it as your bidding ceiling. The link is in the description. And if you want help building a performance marketing strategy around your real unit economics, Upgrowth is right below here. Get in touch with us. We can help you out. Thank you.